guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be 3 different look for this festive season. Navaratri is coming, Durga Puja is coming. I think this video is going to be very helpful for beginners especially because this will contain minimal makeup looks. I started this series with minimal makeup looks because I personally think I am a person, I love minimal makeup look for my festive season. I don't want to do full face of glam, I don't want to do cut crease, and I don't want to use false eyelash as well. I just want to make it simple. There are so many of you guys who want to use less product, you want to look good, you want to look presentable, still you want that glam makeup look as well. So this is a video for you. Yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. Just ignore how my hair looks right now. I'm quickly going to start with my base makeup. I have only moisturizer on my face and this is what my face looks without any product. I'm going to show you if you guys are interested in just knowing what moisturizer I used. So I used this one from Suganda. This one is the rosehip moisturizer unscented. Now I will use a primer. Now if you don't have any face primer, you can use a setting spray just to set your face well before doing any makeup. Now this is not going to blur out your pores or blur out your skin, but this is going to hold your makeup pretty well. So this is one option I can give you if you don't have any primer. So I will use this one from Colorbar. This is their setting spray. This is their Stay the Day finishing mist. I am quickly going to leave it like this for 1 or 2 minutes so my skin can absorb everything. Okay, now I just zoomed you guys in a little bit so that you guys can see everything properly. This tutorial will not include any foundation because it's my personal preference. I don't love using foundation for a very longer period of time. I just feel like it is like not healthy for my skin somewhere, but I'm not saying don't use. I'll use this concealer from Body Shop. This is a really good concealer. This is their fresh nude concealer and this is in the shade tan, which is close to my natural skin tone. I will use this on my dark circles over here. And I will try to cover up my acne marks. Just take a beauty sponge and blend out everything. So this is a quick trick that you can do. Always have one concealer which is like close enough to your skin tone so that you can use it for your no foundation days, no makeup days. It's really helpful. If this concealer was like one shade lighter for my skin, you can imagine how it will look all over my face like this. But this is very close to my skin tone. Okay, so this is what my face looks after using the concealer. You can see it is not giving me a cakey kind of a look. It is very natural looking, very simple. Definitely it is a concealer, so it is just hiding out my dark circles and everything, but not giving me like super high coverage or something like that. I will use this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. This is a really good eyebrow pencil and first it comes with a spoolie. So I will brush my hair upward like this and then I will take the pencil side and just fill in my brows, and I'm gonna actually draw fake hair very lightly. I'm gonna do one upward motion like this so that it looks very fluffy and fuller. Used my brush and blended everything, and this is what my eyebrow looks like. Natural, fluffy, beautiful. Now to set my concealer, of course I used concealer. I have to set it. I am going to use this Inside Cosmetics HD powder, and this is their loose finishing powder, and it is more like a yellow tone loose powder, so it's going to give me a little bit of brightness as well underneath my eyes. So I will use my makeup sponge, take the powder just like this and use it over here, and very gently I'm gonna press and the powder will blend so well with my face. Of course the difference is not huge, it's something very subtle, not so there kind of, because that's what this tutorial is about. Now I will use a little bit of eyeshadow, and for today I will use this eyeshadow palette from Lakme. Not gonna do anything crazy, very minimal. So how you can do minimal eye makeup look if you're a beginner, and when you are getting ready for your Durga Puja or Navratri or anything, you are like, oh my god, what am I going to do? Just start with any color and then you end up washing your entire face. I'm going to show you what kind of eye makeup look, what kind of minimal eye makeup look that you can do. I will take this shade first. This is a very light pink kind of a shade, very coralish pink kind of a shade. Always start with light shade. Never go with deeper shade first. Start with a light shade, then go deeper. And I'm gonna mix it with this nude one a little bit. I will use this all over my eyes. You do not need to be precise with wherever you are placing the eyeshadow. You just need to place it starting from here and then just use it all over your eyelid. Take my Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. This is a black kajal, not in a thick way. I'm gonna use it I'm gonna draw a very thin line. I will take a flat brush like this and this berry mauve kind of a color. Now I will smudge out my kajal using that berry shade. Okay, so this is what a soft, smoky kajal look looks like. You can definitely skip the lower lash line if you want to, but I personally think a lower lash line looks pretty good. Now I will use lots of mascara because I'm not going to use any false eyelash. If you are into false eyelash, you can definitely go for it, but today is a minimal kind of a look, so I'm not going to use any false eyelash. I will use this one from Flower Beauty. This is their Lash Princess Warrior Mascara. This is the finished look, and I think this is a look you all are going to do because it's like a very simple, very beginner friendly kind of a look. And yeah, I will wear this Durga Puja. This is something which I love. Just look at that eye makeup look. It looks so effortless. Still your eyes are looking just perfect. And for my lipstick I used this color from House of Makeup. This is a beautiful chocolate brown kind of a shade. This is in the shade Pout Potion. It is so beautiful. And this is the first look. What do you guys think? Let me know. So it's time for look number 2, and that's why I'm reapplying my concealer again. It's a lot of hard work, so make sure you share this video and comment. For this look, I will use this eyeshadow palette from Revolve. I was planning to film one tutorial using this palette, but then I thought, okay, let me use this palette for today. So I will use this palette. This is kind of like that very minimal, softer, orangish, yellowish kind of a palette. Very pretty. I will use this shade first. First I will take the shadow. I'm gonna take a flat fluffy brush like this, and I will use the shadow right over here, my outer corners, and then I will take the shadow again and use it on my inner corners. That color is definitely not working for my eyes. It's like way too light and you can't even see anything. I will use this Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette in the shade 03, and I will use this shade first and build up the color a little bit. Yeah, definitely it's working way better now. Now I will take a flat brush. I will use this golden color, and I don't know how much pigmented this will be. Use this over here. Okay, this is very beautiful. So this is the second look. It's so pretty, so minimal, just looks so effortless as well. Eye makeup look will go with any outfit that you will wear, and this is what it looks like. Okay, for the third eye look, I actually forgot to explain. So I'm using my Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette and using a baby pink color all over my inner corner area. You can use any color that you have. You do not particularly need this color. Then I'm using my colorbar eyeliner, and this is a black eyeliner. I'm using this first before using my blue eyeliner so that my blue eyeliner does not look very messy, and it will act as a guide for my blue eyeliner somewhere. So that's what I'm doing, and after that I will use my Lakme blue eyeliner. This eyeliner is very pigmented. It is very blue, very electric kind of a blue. Not really smudge proof though, but you can definitely walk like this if you use a black eyeliner, smudge proof black eyeliner first, and then go and use the blue one. Or maybe if you don't have the blue eye, instead of that you can use a blue eyeshadow. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the finished look. This look turned out so pretty, and all three looks are very minimal. I hope you guys will try it. Let me know which one is your favorite, and also don't forget to send me your pictures. And that's it guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching.